Hey guys, it's Stern W, and this is the Bissell Crosswave Pet Wet Dry Vac. This is the pet version of it, and it basically has a special rolling brush that doesn't clog with hair, which is really cool. Now, if you have pets, it's great because this could mop and brush your floors all in one go. It also vacuums as well. So, as you can see, it does. I have a lot of tile and also hardwood floors, but I also have some area rugs too. So it does multiple surfaces, and it spins that front brush really fast while it sprays like that solution in the back. So you have to mix some of their multi-surface solution in there, and it sprays it while you move it forward. It sucks it into it. These brushes basically brush it, and then that little squeegee right there sucks all that water back into the front reservoir where it keeps all the dirty water and also debris and stuff too. Very awesome design because it's so easy to use and also scrubs really well. As you can see, there's a full on there marker on the reservoir, and once that thing's full of dirty water, you just basically eject this thing out and pour it into the sink. And there, if there's any bits, it'll be on top on that top hard filter. But basically, you take that off, you rinse it, you throw that in the trash, rinse out the stuff, clean it out, and then just dry it or just load it back up and use it again. Now it also has like a paper filter too. So if you need this vacuum stuff, I guess that's how it stops the filter. You can also take that roller out and clean it, but you can also there's also a tray that it comes with that you could just let it auto clean by itself. It just spins and it cleans, and it's pretty awesome. Now, it also has like a little stand that's right next to it so you can park it, but this multi-surface cleaner meant for pets is actually very good. It's pretty well good. It basically cleans out a lot of dirt and crevices and stuff. Now, I don't have pets, but hair is an issue, so I don't like getting hair tangled in the brush, so that's why I got this one instead of the regular one. But yeah, I just use a microfiber. After I'm done with everything, I rinse everything out. I use my microfiber cloth and just clear everything, and it's very easy to clean. Again, this thing makes it very effortless to basically scrub your floors really well. And that's really cool of what it does. It also has a swivel head, which makes it easier to navigate through the floors and underneath the counter space. Anyways, guys, this is Tony W. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.